hair looks crazy. It's growing really fast. Okay, better. I'm not here to talk about my hair, so don't worry. You clicked the right video, so stay with the video. So a few days ago, I published my video, which was taken a few months ago. Sorry for that. I thought, okay, I should publish status of this new niche website. So if you like to learn about SEO, internet marketing, and niche website, how to do niche website, how to earn money with niche websites, subscribe and make sure hit the thumbs up button as well. So that's really helps me as well. I did some mistakes. Actually did a big one mistake with this new, so my newest niche website. And yeah, I'm gonna show you everything, all the analytics and how many keywords now it's ranking after 3 months, and what is the status of the sandbox and everything. So let's go to the screen. So now I'm in Google Search Console, which was Google Webmaster Tool before. Yeah, so you can see the website has 24 clicks at the moment, right? And yeah, this actually this 24 clicks should be more, to be honest, because I did a big mistake. I will tell you my mistakes end of the video. Anyway, I will click on performance. Okay, so total clicks like that, and I will click I will tick total impressions. So impressions going up really nicely because every day it is getting more, the websites get more keywords, right? So it ranks for more keywords, and the CTR is 4 point at the moment, and the average position is 8.3. I will click on positions. So I have to cover all the keywords, so sorry for that. I don't want to mess up with my newest niche websites, because once I reveal these websites, and it's going to get so many spam, which is true, right? Anyway, so positions, you can see a lot of tools for so many keywords have one snippet, so Google snippet. But anyway, so 3 and yeah, so at the moment the website has 39 keywords, but many keywords, it's interesting, many keywords ranking, which is nice. And most of these keywords actually I did not target, right? So that's, I mean, that's normal when you rank your website or your web niche website or your newest blog post or something like this, then you get more keywords, right? I mean, related keywords. So your website's gonna rank for more related keywords when you hit the main thing, when you hit the main keyword. So that means you are gonna get many related keywords as well. So that's why we think like, okay, this keyword, it has like, let's say 1,000 searches, right? But the thing is, there are so many keywords, I mean, we don't see them on SEO softwares, right? So when you hit the first, so main keyword, there will be many keywords, small keywords but related, and your post or your blog post is gonna rank for more, okay, which is normal, which happens all the time. Anyway, so it's nice to see impressions really going up, and total impressions on average CTR. So I said I did a mistake. My mistake is I could not post more content. Yeah, that is right. You are right. Yeah, because I was busy with my other websites, my other YouTube channels, and yeah, that's why. Yeah. Anyway, I don't want to give any reasons, but I could not do that. But it's not gonna happen again. Yes, I have even a plan for this website, and yeah, so I will post many content, so more content for sure, and then the total impressions and everything will go up for sure, right? Yeah, so this is the second video about this website. So the first one I published, like I said, a few days ago, but that was recorded maybe 3 months ago. Sorry for that. So like I said, now it is how many keywords? 39 keywords, right? So yeah, that was a big mistake that I could not post or publish many contents. Yeah, it was my mistakes, but that's okay, you know. Everything has up and downs, right? So I was busy with my other stuff, and anyway, I'm not here to give you reasons. So make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you like to learn about internet marketing and SEO or niche website and how to earn money with niche websites as well. So please you can put a comment if you have any questions, or if you think about what's gonna happen with the website, this newest website, and anything. So you can comment below. So see you in the next video, guys. Peace.